How to make an easy homemade hand sanitizer. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using the alcohol, carefully pour 3/4 cups of the alcohol into a bowl. Carefully add 1/4 cup of the aloe vera gel to the bowl. Add 6 and up to 10 drops of the essential oil to the aloe vera and alcohol mixture. Mix the alcohol, the aloe vera gel, and the essential oil ingredients together. Check and continue stirring until all the ingredients are well blended. Place the funnel into the opening of the bottle of your choice. Carefully pour the mixture into the bottle. Carefully place the top onto the bottle. Your homemade hand sanitizer is now done. For fun, allow the children to decorate the hand sanitizer bottles. To use, add 1 to 2 drops of the hand sanitizer into the palms of your hands. Completely cover your palms as well as the back of your hands. Cover your fingers as well as in between your fingers. Completely cover your hands and rub the sanitizer for 20 to 30 seconds. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You are greatly appreciated. The music bump in this video is called ROCKA by music producer Tex Me Records. Available at the YouTube free audio library. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. You know what time it is. Stop playing and have faith. And until the next video, bye guys.